We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and detailed overview of the Toysmith Tech Gear Multi-Voice Changer. If you own this product, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The Toysmith Tech Gear Multi-Voice Changer is a compact handheld toy designed to transform your voice using 8 unique voice effects. It is marketed as a fun and interactive gadget for children ages 5 and up, but as we will see from user feedback, its appeal often extends to adults as well. The device features a built-in voice amplifier, colorful flashing LEDs, and a retro-inspired design. It is powered by a single 9-volt battery included in the package and is ready to use straight out of the box. The product measures 9 by 5 by 11 inches and weighs just under 9 ounces, making it portable and easy for children to handle. The Toysmith Multi-Voice Changer is available in various colors, though the specific color received may vary. The toy is designed to be simple to use, with side levers that allow users to adjust frequency and amplitude, thereby creating hundreds of unique sound combinations. According to the product description, it offers 10 different voice modifiers, though the packaging and marketing often refer to 8 primary effects. The device is positioned as an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, stocking stuffers, and party favors, and is particularly popular during the Christmas season. It has achieved a strong presence in the market, ranking highly in the gags and practical joke toys category, and boasting over 17,000 customer ratings with an average score of 4.1 out of 5 stars. Now, let us delve into the features, performance, usability, pros, cons, and overall impressions as reported by users across various platforms. One of the most frequently cited strengths of the Toysmith Tech Gear Multi-Voice Changer is its ability to provide hours of entertainment for children and adults alike. Many reviewers mention giving the toy as a Christmas or birthday gift, often noting that it quickly becomes a favorite among other presents. Children are drawn to the novelty of hearing their voices transformed in funny and unexpected ways, and adults often find themselves joining in the fun. The variety of voice effects keeps users engaged, with some families reporting that the toy is a source of laughter and amusement for everyone in the room. The interactive nature of the device encourages creativity and imaginative play as children experiment with different sound combinations and invent games or scenarios around the altered voices. The built-in amplifier ensures that the modified voice is projected clearly and loudly, which adds to the excitement, especially in group settings. The flashing LED lights further enhance the fun factor, creating a visually stimulating experience that complements the audio effects. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy for children to carry the toy from room to room or take it on the go, whether traveling or visiting friends. The inclusion of a battery in the package is appreciated by many users, as it allows for immediate use without the need for additional purchases or setup. The controls are straightforward and intuitive, with side levers that can be adjusted even by younger children. This simplicity is a key factor in the toy's popularity, as it minimizes frustration and maximizes enjoyment. The Toysmith Multi-Voice Changer is also praised as a value gift option, suitable for a wide range of occasions and recipients. However, user feedback also highlights several drawbacks and areas for improvement. One of the most common complaints is the sound quality of the voice effects. Some users report that the modified voices are muffled or difficult to distinguish, with several effects sounding quite similar to one another. This can lead to disappointment, especially for those who remember earlier versions of the toy or who were expecting a greater variety of distinct effects. Another issue frequently mentioned is the volume level. The device is described as being quite loud, which can be a double-edged sword. While the amplification adds to the fun in group settings, it can be overwhelming or disruptive in quieter environments. Some users express a wish for a volume control feature, which is currently absent from the design. Durability is another area of concern. While some reviewers find the build quality acceptable for the price, others report that the toy feels flimsy or fragile. There are accounts of the device breaking or malfunctioning after only a few days of use, particularly when handled roughly by younger children. The battery life is also a point of contention. Several users note that the included battery drains quickly, requiring frequent replacements to keep the toy operational. While changing the battery is described as a simple process, the ongoing cost and inconvenience can detract from the overall experience. Price is another factor that divides opinion. Some reviewers feel that the toy offers good value for the entertainment it provides, while others argue that it is overpriced for what is essentially a novelty item. Comparisons are made to similar toys available at lower price points, with some users suggesting that the multi-voice changer would be more appropriately sold at a discount store. Despite these criticisms, the Toysmith Tech Gear multi-voice changer continues to receive positive feedback for its ability to bring joy and laughter to children and families. The combination of interactive play, visual effects, and portability makes it a popular choice for gifting and group activities. The toy excels as a party favor or stocking stuffer, and its simplicity ensures that it can be enjoyed by users of varying ages and abilities. For those seeking a fun and lighthearted gadget that encourages creativity and social interaction, the multi-voice changer delivers on its promises, albeit with some limitations in sound quality and durability. In summary, the Toysmith Tech Gear multi-voice changer stands out as an entertaining and engaging toy that appeals to children and adults alike. Its main strengths lie in its ease of use, variety of voice effects, and ability to foster imaginative play. The built-in amplifier and flashing LEDs add to the sensory experience, making it a hit at parties and family gatherings. However, potential buyers should be aware of the limitations in sound quality, lack of volume control, and concerns about durability and battery life. The price point may also be a consideration for some, especially when compared to similar products on the market. Overall, the multi-voice changer is best suited for those looking for a fun, interactive gift that can provide hours of amusement, particularly in group settings. Its appeal as a novelty item is strong, and it is likely to be well received by children who enjoy experimenting with sound and performance. If you are considering this toy as a gift, it is important to set expectations regarding its capabilities and build quality. While it may not offer professional-grade voice modulation or long-lasting construction, it succeeds in delivering laughter and entertainment, which is ultimately the primary goal of a toy in this category. If you have experience with the Toysmith Tech Gear multi-voice changer, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is valuable and can provide additional insights for future buyers. For those interested in purchasing the product or learning more, the link to the product is available in the description. Supporting the channel by using the provided link helps us continue to bring you honest and thorough reviews of the latest gadgets and toys. In conclusion, the Toysmith Tech Gear multi-voice changer is a fun and accessible gadget that brings people together through laughter and play. While it has its flaws, its ability to create memorable moments and spark creativity makes it a worthwhile consideration for anyone seeking a unique and entertaining gift. Whether used at parties, family gatherings, or simply as a way to break the monotony of everyday life, this voice changer has proven to be a source of joy for many. Remember to check the product link in the description if you are interested in learning more or making a purchase, and do not forget to leave your own review if you have tried this item. Your experience can help others decide if this is the right toy for their needs.